guys, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today we're checking out this 2020 Toyota Corolla in red. It is an LE, and we're gonna go ahead and go over the features and things within. This is a perfect sedan for new drivers or experienced drivers, so let's go ahead and check it out. Checking out the mileage first, you have 62,000 miles, which is not bad at all for a 2020. To access things within your instrumental panel, you have it over here, so you can see things like your warnings, tracking trip, eco driving, digital miles per hour, as well as you have your adaptive cruise control off and lane keep off. You have your trip distance and of course settings for turning off those pre-collision alerts, vehicle settings, things like that. Back to your warnings, roads may be icy, it's a little chilly out. Back to your digital miles per hour, as most people use that up on the screen. You have your volume, hands-free calling, and voice commands, as well as your back arrow for up on the screen. You have your tune and mode for your radio, as well as your lane keep and your pre-collision alerts. Adaptive cruise control and cruise control settings would be right over here. And that is the gist for this steering wheel. Of course, you have your turn signals and lighting settings, and of course, your windshield wiper settings over here on the right-hand side. Checking out next to the steering wheel, you have your auto high beams and lighting settings for the interior of the vehicle. Let's go ahead and check out your touchscreen display and everything to it. You do have your home menu, which has what you're listening to, phone connection, and range. You can customize this however you would like when you own the vehicle. You also have your menu, which has your audio, phone, apps, projection, info, and setup. In setup, you can see things like your beeps, theme settings, customize home screen, as well as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings. Scroll throughout this and see what you would need or want to customize. Your apps, you have Apple CarPlay Android Auto, but to go ahead and do that, you would connect a phone right in here, which is super simple to go ahead and connect. Going back on home, we can go to audio and go into your sources. You have your AM and FM radio, Bluetooth audio right in there. Volume and tune. Let's go ahead and check out the backup camera by putting this in reverse. Very clear backup camera. You and others can stay safe if you're aware of your surroundings, and this helps a lot. Putting it back into park, I think that's the gist for this screen area. You have your hazard lights underneath there, and then your climate controls. You can adjust the temperature and airflow, and I may say it gets hot and cold in here pretty fast. You also have an eco heat and cool option, so you can save some gas while heating or cooling the vehicle. Down below here, you have some storage, charging port over here, as well as your aux, and then you have your traction control off in front of your gear shift, and then you have some cup holders, parking brake, auto hold, center console with some more charging ports, so USB and 12 volt, charge of your devices, and have a decent amount of storage, and a comfy armrest for when it is down. Let's go ahead and hop outside and take a look at the interior, exterior, and the trunk space. To pop the trunk, you have it right here on the floor with your gas release. Pull that up, and let's hop outside. Taking a look, you have cloth seating with that textured pattern. Very comfy seating, and this thing gets really good gas mileage, so you can go pretty far. But let's go ahead and take a look at the back seats. Back here, you have a decent amount of space. Middle seat that folds down to be an armrest with cup holders. Fold that back up. 3 people. You can fold down the second row seats for some more storage, but let me show you the trunk space. So back here, we already popped the trunk, so you can have access to it. A decent amount of cargo space. Under here, you also have your spare tire and tools in case of any emergency. You'll be ready out there on the road. But that's pretty much it for this Corolla. This is a perfect sedan to take on trips and be able to get good mileage, decent amount of storage. But I think that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for checking in. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call us at 717-733-8985, or you can always stop in for a visit. I'll see you next time. Bye.